Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Uthando Nestembu everyday updates. Yes, we are still at it. Season 9 of Uthando Nestembu came back with the hit, with the drama, with everything. Now we are seeing who is on whose side. So at this point, even Bakhe Dlamini, the marriage counselor, the marriage therapist, had to review the episode where Umacele was saying that if people feel like they are being abused and people they are not happy, why are they still here? Washo umamkhulu wathi basahlaleleni pho makuba kuyikuthi bazwa ngathi bahlukumezekile, bahlukunyezwa into nje eyi-1 abangazange bavumelane nayo, which is number 5. At this point, Umacele, she's at the, you came, I accepted you. You came, I accepted you. Even though I didn't want you to be here, I had to live with knowing that you are here. So why is it an issue now when someone else comes? As Ubakhe Dlamini was saying that most of the wives, they've checked out. When someone you break up with someone emotionally, like you detach yourself from that relationship, you are just left in jail with physically being there, because now at this point they're like, oh well, if Umusamselek wants to do things, you must do it. We'll just stand on the side and watch him do whatever that he wants to do. And yes, Ubakhe Dlamini said that it is a misunderstanding and a miscommunication where the other wives feel that Umakwela, the wife number 5, was not properly introduced. They feel like with Umakwela, things were not done the same way that things were done with them. They feel like Umakwela was favored. Umakwela was like putted in, not in a way that everyone else was introduced, because there was an issue that Umacele met Umakwela while still she was a girlfriend, and in their household they've got one rule that someone cannot be introduced while still they are still a girlfriend. They need to be at least paid a lobola for, and yena Umacele uyasho ukubana no, she only met Umakwela after she was lobolad. So at this point, Ubakhe Dlamini is trying to encourage them that it's not too late. And he did also emphasize that he does believe that Umusamseleko is a very kind man, and he does believe that all the wives, they still love Umusamseleko. That's why they are still there. So there is the question, the answer to the question of why are they still there. They are still there because they still love their husband. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more Uthando Nestembu.